Hey everybody, we are entering the first to play Disney Infinity 3.0 Sweepstakes. There we go. Kids are playing. And now let's get to some unboxing.
Very merry unboxing to all. A very merry unboxing to you. Unboxing is a thing that makes positive true. A very merry unboxing. A very merry unboxing. A very merry unboxing to all.
Hello everybody, and welcome to another installment of a very merry unboxing.
Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing Yoda. I hope you liked my Yoda impression there.
Unboxing me, he will be.
On the back, it says, Wise Jedi Master with acrobatics, lightsaber wielding abilities. And he is available in the 3.0 Toy Box and Twilight of the Republic playset. So let's crack into Yoda. Okay. Alright. Alright. Here's Yoda's little card.
Cool.
And on the back.
Awesome.
Now, this is the Yoda figure. Oh my gosh.
Slide it out.
Oh.
Slide it out. Push it back towards you.
There we go. Yoda has his little lightsaber, and he has the Force ability. Look at him! Look at cute little Yoda.
Hello everybody!
You sound more like Kirby.
The force I will be using against the forces of darkness.
The bark side.
The bark side, he says. The bark side, says my friend Joshua.
Look at him. He's got a cool little stance with his hand. I love Yoda. Yoda was awesome. And then, you know, he was awesome already. And then once the Clone Wars hit and he started jumping around and just like taking names, it was cool. Check that out.
I've never seen the Clone Wars series. I'm
He's
gonna have
cool.
to watch it.
So, as we stated on the unboxing video for the starter set, he has a light-up lightsaber version coming in the holidays. So, this one will be something that we give to people on the giveaway once we get that. But then, let's see what his card says. So, he's showing he is good in the 3.0 Toy Box Edition and the Twilight of the Republic playset. So, look at his little stance. He looks like,
Mess with me, you shall not.
and then he says,
Wise Jedi Master with acrobatic lightsaber wielding abilities I have.
and then it also says,
Play now in the Twilight of the Republic playset and Toy Box 3.0. Bonus unlockable in all playset Star Wars I have.
So I can't wait to see this little guy jumping and bouncing around on the game.
Droids and stuff.
Woo! So,
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and say yay Yoda, he's awesome. Ding ding. So thanks for
2
watching.
thumbs way up you shall give me. Subscribe between the fingers.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.